The United States is pushing the boundaries of aerospace innovation with significant advancements in sixth-generation fighter jet engines, a critical step forward in enhancing the nation's air combat capabilities. As global threats evolve and peer adversaries develop sophisticated systems, the U.S. is doubling down on cutting-edge propulsion technology to maintain its strategic edge in aerial warfare. The new engines are part of the Air Force's next-generation adaptive propulsion program, which aims to revolutionize fighter jet performance. The program, spearheaded by two prominent aerospace contractors, General Electric, GE, and Pratt & Whitney, has received renewed funding to accelerate research and development. These efforts are expected to culminate in a fully operational next-generation engine by 2032. This timeline aligns with the anticipated deployment of sixth-generation fighter jets, a key component of the Department of Defense's Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) initiative. These aircraft are designed to integrate seamlessly with unmanned systems and operate in highly contested environments, requiring engines that deliver unprecedented levels of power, efficiency, and adaptability. The sixth-generation fighter jet engines will feature adaptive cycle technology, enabling them to switch seamlessly between high-thrust and high-efficiency modes. This versatility ensures optimal performance during both intense combat scenarios and long-range missions. Enhanced thrust capabilities will support advanced weaponry and agility, while improved fuel efficiency extends operational range and reduces logistical constraints. Additionally, the engines will boast advanced thermal management systems to handle the heat generated by next-gen avionics and directed energy weapons. Stealth is another critical focus of the design. The engines will incorporate technologies to reduce their infrared signature, enhancing the aircraft's ability to evade detection. These features collectively make the sixth-generation engines a cornerstone of next-gen combat capabilities, offering unmatched adaptability and resilience in challenging operational environments. The development of these engines is more than a technological milestone. It's a strategic imperative. As adversaries like China and Russia invest heavily in their own next-gen military technologies, the U.S. must ensure it retains air superiority. The advanced propulsion systems will enable sixth-generation fighters to outperform their counterparts, ensuring dominance in future conflicts. Moreover, the NGAP program's dual-track approach, leveraging the expertise of both GE and Pratt & Whitney, fosters healthy competition and innovation. Both companies have a storied history of delivering world-class engines, and their collaboration ensures the best possible outcome for the U.S. military. The funding boost for the NGAP program will have ripple effects across the aerospace and defense industries. Thousands of jobs will be created or sustained, particularly in high-tech manufacturing and engineering sectors. Additionally, the program's advancements are likely to influence commercial aviation, with adaptive cycle technology potentially being adapted for civilian use in the future. The journey to operational sixth-generation fighter jets and their revolutionary engines is a marathon, not a sprint. However, with clear objectives, substantial funding, and the expertise of GE and Pratt & Whitney, the U.S. is well positioned to lead the charge. By 2032, the fruits of this program will likely redefine the capabilities of modern air combat, ensuring the U.S. remains at the forefront of global military power. As the world watches closely, the NGAP program exemplifies the fusion of innovation, strategy, and determination, key ingredients in securing a safer future for the nation and its allies.